Hello guys, hi YouTube. How are you everyone? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Today I'm going to show you on how do I cook the famous Bicol Express in the Philippines. This is a very spicy menu, but right now I'm just going to make it a mild spicy because of my kids. They don't like that much spicy. So first we have to saute the onions and the green pepper just like that, and then you just have to add the shrimp paste, or we call bagoong in the Philippines. Yes. And after that we have I'm going to add the pork. Yes, I already this is a tenderized pork cut in small slices, just like that. All you have to do is to saute it. This is a very easy menu for you to cook, but absolutely this is so very delicious, and even your kids will love it, especially your husband, your family, and even you mom will like it so much. And then all you have to do is to mix it evenly, then so that the pork will going to absorb the flavor of the onions, the green pepper, and the bagoong. And then all you have to do is to um, put all your seasoning, or the pampalasa in Tagalog, the salt, the pepper, and the MSG. If you want, you can add MSG, and that is optional, so that is the MSG. Yes. And then the ground black pepper, or the pepper powder, and then a little bit of salt, because the bagoong is already salty, so you just have to put a little bit of iodized salt to blend the flavor, just like that. And then you just have to mix it and incorporate the flavor. And then after that, all you have to do is to put on the coconut milk, or the gata, the kakang gata in Tagalog. That is the coconut milk, the first squeeze outside the coconut. You know, when you scrub the coconut, then as you squeeze it, it will come out the gata. That's the coconut milk. Then there you go. All you have to do is let it boil, simmer it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Then it's for you to ready to eat, and you can enjoy. You can enjoy it with rice, or much better, you can, if you want, you can add siling labuyo, or the red chilies. You know, if you want to make it more spicy, you can add that siling labuyo in Tagalog, and red chili. And I know, we all know that red chili is sili, and that is very spicy. So that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, or comment your comment on the comment box below, and give me a subscribe. Thank you for subscribing, and I hope you like it. Thank you very much.